After weeks of indecision, waiting and weighing the pros and cons, I have decided to get a new Handycam. I settled for the currently most popular Sony Handycam FDR-AX53. In my video recording projects, it is now the predecessor of our broken Sony Handycam HDR-CX100 I featured already and which I still want to get repaired. Welcome friends as we proceed with the unboxing of our new Sony Handycam FDR-AX53 with our guest host June. She has her own YouTube channel of Juniper Sketches focused on her medium, which is art. Please check out her channel, and if you find it interesting, you might want to support her effort by subscribing to her. Look for the links on the description below. Now we proceed with the unboxing of this new Handycam. The box contained the necessary reading materials: the Handycam operating guide, 3 small booklets for 3 different languages, a fold-out paper, info about the battery that came with it, the limited warranty declaration, etc. The peripherals that came with the box include a micro USB cable with USB 2.0 on its other end, which Sony need to update into at least to 3.0 at the minimum. Sony is so behind on this, and it also has a mini HDMI cable, power cord, and AC adapter. Also part of the package was a rechargeable battery pack that could last about a minimum of 2 hours depending on the usage. It is a departure from the usual 30 minutes to an hour rechargeable battery pack of my previous purchases and the Handycam itself. Not included in the package is a memory card. I have to reuse my Sony memory stick Prudo from the old Handycam, which has a capacity of 8 GB only. I also took my phone's 64 GB micro SDXC UHS-1 mini card for temporary use. It is because this camera accepts various kinds of cards for saving the recorded file, a sharp departure from Sony HDR-CX100, which only use a proprietary Sony memory card, the memory stick. This Handycam has no hard drive, but I can use various compatible SD and Sony memory cards. The 8GB Prodo card has small storage capacity. It is very slow in file saving that I can use it only on high quality HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 or 1080p at an option of 24 frames per second or 60 interlacing frames per second. I cannot use it to record highest high definition resolution footage or even the 4K. While my second temporary card, the 64GB Samsung EVO, I can use it in recording 4K footages. I put on hold the discussion about the memory cards and their storage capacity in an upcoming video, so watch for it. This camera captured my attention with its features such as the 3 inches precision extra fine LCD display with color viewfinder for ease of use and a clear view. The CX100 has no viewfinder. My previous 2 Sony Hi8 digital Handycam has viewfinders too. That feature was a tipping point that favored my decision, since I can record video by minimizing the closing and opening of the display, which was the cause of the problem that developed and I encountered on the old Handycam in the first place. This was the deal maker for me after all. While we do the unboxing, I will run down the features we are looking forward to using this Handycam. A big plus it offers is its 20x optical and 250x digital zoom. It will bring my subject and scenes up close and allow me to view it through the 3-inch precision extra fine LCD display. It can perform high-speed recording in full high definition, even for high-quality slow motion footages. Its plus factor include shooting in full HD at 120 frames per second with 100 megabytes file on NTSC or PAL standard. Then It could give me the option to edit the footage, and I can make a slow motion with smooth and sharp playback. It carries the new Zeiss Vario-Sonnar T lens for 4K resolution and recording, which will obviously render quality optimal footage. Oh, okay, this camera can take 4K footage now. Perfect. It has a balanced optical steady shot picture stabilization with 5-axis intelligent active mode. I think the VideoCam just saved me some money, as I may not need the necessary gimbal accessory, then to minimize shake and vibration distortion and keep action and motion footage steady. One more feature I like with the AX53 is that it brings me back the capability of superb night shooting mode, the featured gun in the CX100 but present on my previous two Sony Hi8 digital VideoCams. In photo mode, it promises to capture still images at 5440 by 3056 resolution, which is so great. In the field of sound recording, it excites me to know that the built-in microphone can gather sound from 5 directions with reduced noise of 40% and twice good when using 2-channel stereo and triple that when availing of the 5.1 channels surround sound quality. One more feature I like is that I can use the intuitive multi-purpose manual ring to adjust zoom, focus, exposure, iris, shutter speed, AE shift, or white balance shift mode after using the manual button to select the mode. I will go ahead and test this camera based on promised features, and I may decide to share and discuss a limited review if it is worthy. I hope to catch up on my filming, as I'm looking forward to an exciting and productive activity with the new Sony FDR-AX53. I'm wrapping this episode with an appeal for you guys to please subscribe to this channel, but if only you liked it, and hit the notification bell. If you did already, it would be nice if you can also drop a comment, like, and share this video. It is really heartwarming if you do keep coming back and watch my posts. As always, I thank you for the support, and I will see you in the next video. Good day everyone, and thank you. Marhay na aldaw asin mabalus po.